Welcome to today's TTRS Read and Spell TikTok about how you can use typing to learn spellings. Typing can be one of the most effective and easiest approaches to how to learn to spell words correctly. Here are 8 typing drills for you to try. The straightforward drill: provide learners with an electronic list of words for them to copy. Read words out or create an audio file for students to listen to and type the words they hear. Use an accessible touch typing program like TTRS with word lists that are designed specifically to support spelling. Use rhyming words, create typing drills with a word on its own, followed by rhyming words. Break words down into parts. Add images next to the words they are typing. Let your learner be creative with different styles, sizes and font types as they're typing. Add the words at the top of the page and ask the learner to type sentences using all the words.